Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by locking core settings that directly affect movement. Set your refresh rate to 60-120 Hz, disable motion blur, and cap frame rate if unstable. Next, match mouse or controller DPI to 400-800 and pick an in-game sensitivity you can repeat. Once done, enable gyroscope only if you plan to use tilt aiming. It refines corrective micro movements. Practice in a private match for 10 minutes to feel the baseline changes before altering advanced options. You now focus on the mechanics that produce smooth traversal. Rebind slide, jump, and sprint to reachable buttons and practice timing so inputs become automatic. Combine strafing with short counterstrafes to maintain momentum around corners. This preserves speed while staying accurate. Make sure ADS and hip fire sensitivities are harmonized so you don't jerk when entering scoped fire. Once comfortable, record a training run and watch replays to identify inconsistent inputs or slow transitions. You finish by polishing habits and resolving common issues. Commit to short daily drills, strafe lines, slide aim repeats, and recoil bursts to convert technique into muscle memory. Then refine dead zones and vibration so controllers don't introduce drift or delay. If movement stutters or inputs feel delayed, lower visual settings, close background apps, and monitor CPU/GPU temps. Also test your network for packet loss. If problems persist, reset key bindings and rerun the training sequence to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.